All right, so how long is the new Maverick R? We've got a tape measure. We'll see if we can get somebody to give us a hand here. We'll find out how long it is actually. Hey, sir. Can I have you hold that?
Yeah.
We're gonna measure it right now. So there's your 14 foot. You out to the front of the tire?
Yes.
176 inches.
So, what is the length?
176 inches.
Whoa. Whoa. So,
14 feet.
14 feet.
More than
Yes.
14 feet.
Yes.
What do you guys think?
For the Extreme Max will not fit it.
No.
Another trailer.
Another trailer, guys. Hey, Jed, can you start building us some 16 footers? What do you guys think? We'll verify that again to get an exact. It's looking good though. Yeah, do you like it?